We'll see rule second. In rule second, we are going to have x is equals to sin ax or cos ax. When our x is equals to sin ax or cos ax. Rule second, for finding the pi, where the formula for pi is equals to 1 by f of d into x. When this x is in the form of a sin ax or a cos ax, we have to apply the rule second, where f of d is a polynomial in d. 1 by f of d sin ax or 1 by f of d cos ax. When it is in the form of in this way, f of d sin ax or f of d cos ax, then we have to substitute. We have to keep d square is equals to minus of a square. We cannot keep for single d. We cannot keep any value for single d. We cannot substitute any value for single d. If we are left with as in d, then we have to rationalize with their conjugate pairs. Because d is a imaginary, we have to substitute only for d square is equals to minus of a square. It's equals to as in 1 by f of minus of a square sin ax or 1 by f of minus of a square cos ax. This is the case 1 when after substitution of 1 by f of minus of a square, it's not equals to 0. This is the case 1 when we are substituting d square is equals to minus of a square, that 1 by f of a square has to become as an not equals to 0. If it's coming as an equals to 0, then we have to move to the second case when it is in this form. Case second, when 1 by d square plus a square sin ax, then it's equals to as in minus a cos ax by 2a, when as in 1 by d square plus a square cos ax, it's equals to a sin ax by 2a. This is the rule second. When it's becoming, we are going to apply the case second when f of minus of a square it's equals to 0. When it's becoming as in 0, then we have to go for the second case when it's in the form of 1 by d square plus a square sin ax. Just simple, we are going to write it as in minus a square cos ax by 2a. When it's in this form, 1 by d square plus a square cos ax is equals to a sin ax by 2a. This is the rule second.